Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix PayPal? You can't send money right now. So if you ever come across that problem or come across this pop-up window that's telling you you can't send money right now, it means that you need to verify your identity. So go ahead to your browser and just go to confirm my identity on PayPal. So I'm gonna go ahead to the official website. Alright. If you didn't verify your ID, it might hold you off and you won't be able to do transaction as you should or smoothly. So they will treat you as if you're like an imposter or you are not real. So you need to confirm your identity. So go ahead to confirm your identity page, right? And then basically add your credentials, log in using your credentials, and then you're gonna be able to add your information, right? As you can see right here, my information has been submitted. So I already verified my own identity, right? So basically add or submit your driver license or utility bill or a proof of account statement. Like if you're using credit card, debit card from another company or another finance app, just go ahead and get their account statement and share it with PayPal, and that should suffice. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.